Hello, welcome back. So far, we have been seeing Power Apps created by a Canvas app. So this is what we were doing. In the Power Apps, click on Apps, going to New App, and creating a Canvas app. So that is a standalone app. There is something called Power Apps form, which is to be attached to a SharePoint list. So you can create a Power Apps form to a SharePoint list. So you might already know the or heard of InfoPath form. If you're from old generations of SharePoint, you might have heard InfoPath form that you can attach to a SharePoint list. Then you might know a SharePoint default form that gives the Microsoft gives. So that is also you are aware. But you can also create a Power Apps driven form to a SharePoint list. If you click new in my list here, the one you see on the right hand side is a default SharePoint form, which you know already. But you can also customize this form using Power Apps. So that would be called as Power Apps driven form, not a Power Apps Canvas app. It will be just Power Apps driven form. The reason is you might see already it's so clunky, it's not user friendly, you might not able to do a particular validation based on a business scenario, or you might not able to hide or enable or disable another field based on selection of another field. So those things are limitations in the default SharePoint form. So to do that, you can use Power Apps driven form to customize this SharePoint list form. So to do that, click here Power Apps and click on Customize Form. Still loading. Okay, it's been loaded. So as you can see, it is a form, but it looks nice in this. So this one is a default a layout that's been suggested by Power Apps. So you can very well change it, but for the testing purposes, I'm going to do a very minor change, like removing the attachments, and go ahead and save it. And I will publish it to the SharePoint list back again. So I'm clicking here to go back to the SharePoint list. Okay, we hit refresh. Sometimes you need to press Control and F5 so that it clears out the cache and brings out the latest published form. Now click on New. So now you can see a different form has been loaded. So this one is the Power Apps enabled form. Okay, so now we will go ahead and make some few more customization. So let's see if I were to make the available field to be as false, like it's not available. Simply make the available in stock field to be as disabled. So simple as that. So first and foremost, I need to click on the form and change the default mode to new so that we can test it. Right. Okay. Then expand it and go ahead to the available in stock available toggle button and name it to toggle button available. Yep. Okay, so then go back to the last control, which we want to change the display mode from edit to view. So here, if you go back to the form and click on advanced, first it is locked because it wants to show the default value. So you need to click unlock to change its property. So click on lock, then that message goes away. Come back here and choose the display mode. The default would be parent.default display mode, so we don't want that. You will change if the toggle button available dot value equals to true. If it is available, I'm going to make the display mode to be as edit. If it's not available, I'm going to set it to, let's say, put disable. Okay, click on edit. I'm going to show the code one more time. So if the toggle button dot value equals true, then I'm going to put the display mode as edit. If not, I'm going to put the display mode as disabled. Okay, let's click F5 here, put something, okay, price, and once I turn on, I am able to edit it. Okay, if I turn it off, and it goes away. So that's it, and we will publish it now to see how it's working. Publish it. Okay, let's do a refresh. Okay, click new. Okay, so as you can see, the change has been done. We'll try to add a new product. Okay, let's add Vaseline is a lip balm. Department is healthcare. Price is £3, and it's still available 100, and you can save it. Bam, it got saved. So we'll make another change. Some might say, so this one is very small, I want to make it bigger. You can do that. Go back to the PowerApps form, settings, click on size and orientation. You can see there is an orientation and a size. We're already in the large, but instead of portrait, we click on landscape. Yep, you can see already explained, and click on apply. So it's already applied. As you can see, the form also has become a bigger. So let's make it nice and center, so it's not too clunky. Okay, it's full. Let's go back and do another publish. Okay, all publish. Go back to the form, and we hit refresh. Okay, click new, and there you go. It's already showing in a big screen. So yeah, this is on the customization on the form layout. The permissions for this still sticks to the permissions on the actual SharePoint list, so you don't need to worry about that. Whoever access whatever permissions you give for the SharePoint list still applies for this form. And you can also try to apply some branding and controls, which I will cover up in as a part of the branding and theming in a separate video in the main PowerApps step-by-step course, which is mastering PowerApps in 24 hours, 24 watch hours. So you do check that out. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.